In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can see Snapchat messages without opening them. You can simply see messages on Snapchat without them knowing in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Snapchat. On your chat page, let's say this is the message we would like to open but still don't want the person who sent it to know that we opened their message. You will have just hold and slide to your right. Hold on to their Bitmojo and slide to your right just like this. You will then see what they have wrote to you. Then after seeing the message, slide back to your left to close the message. The simple trick is to hold and slide to your right at the same time. That's how easy it is to open and read messages on Snapchat without them knowing. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.